is going, guys? It's Eclipse here, and today I'm playing Ultimate Chicken Horse with some friends.
I'm friends. I'm
Yeah.
not a friend.
Jared's an old friend from an old school, okay?
Ow. Oh, how'd you get out of that door?
I don't know! Damn it.
There we go.
I suck at this game. I've never played it for more than 10 minutes. I suck.
So, Dawn, why don't you say who's who?
Jared is Mighty Jar.
No, not Zach. Who's the animals?
Oh, Zach is... Zach said... No! You missed! I'm the chicken, obviously.
Duck. That's what you get. Yes.
This is so hard. We're in the middle of a game, but...
Oh, that's hard. That's just too hard.
You fell. I'm getting the bomb.
Welcome to my life. Just welcome to my life.
Zach always wins, it's not fair.
Come on, chicken.
Yeah.
Winner, chicken dinner. Oh, guys, I'm gonna make this easier, okay? I'm gonna make this easier. I'm gonna put a door there.
Yeah, back and open.
Dun, 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 dun.
No!
Yes! Oh, that was close.
No!
Yes, I killed you.
You didn't kill me, that thing killed me.
Yeah, but I like messed you up, you know? You know what I mean?
Yeah,
You know what I mean, boy? No! Oh!
There's no way in Dylan, I swear.
What is what the heck?
Yes!
How are you supposed to get there?
Oh my god, yes!
It's impossible! You're the ultimate raccoon! How did you win? Aww. Damn it. Aww. Okay, well that was a sneak peek of what's gonna happen in this game. Okay, let's do rooftops, guys, let's do rooftops.
Okay, I'm gonna change my character. Pyramid!
Damn it.
Great on. Oh yeah, waterfall maybe.
We just did waterfall.
Screw you. It's a press mark. We want stuff. God damn it. Screw you guys. Screw you guys.
No, but let's actually play a game.
Yeah, because this is gonna make it really long. And I want to show.
Jared, stop! Actually.
Yeah, that's just bad. It's gotten old.
Here we go.
So welcome to my life. My life.
Can I get the box, please? Because I want some costumes.
Alright, I get the second box.
Whoever gets the box.
No, I want it! No, you dingus!
I only just got the pyramid. It's not like I got that much.
I wanted to get something.
You will get something.
You won't get something.
I just want some friends.
Cosmetic only. Isn't that right?
Oh, guys, I'm gonna be 1 second. I need to do something.
Medigy.
And then
How do you do that? Oh my god. I get the second box.
I'm back, guys.
Zach. That's not what happened to all of us.
well, ice you're basically unable to jump on.
Yeah. Oh, it actually it may fast you.
I'm getting this done.
Screw you.
Perfect. Now I can put this here.
You want to tell or no? Okay.
Go, go, go! Go, go, go. You're screwed, guys! Zach's screwed.
You guys.
How do I...
You guys. You just gotta, yeah.
You need
the box! I'm gonna wait for the box. Come on down. My
Come
friend.
on down to the show. Come on down.
Damn it! I can't get it though. It's impossible.
Hey, Dawn, if you go into that fan blade, it will boost
What?
You didn't get the boost.
Flying, it's gonna just kill
Oh
you.
my god. Yeah, I knew it would have killed me. That happened to me already, Zach.
Okay. I'm gonna get this.
Finally.
Boom.
Can I get the box, guys? Because I've never had a box.
Sure. How do I make this work?
No, don't, Zach. You douchebag. Okay.
I'm a douche.
You are.
And you're a douche.
No! Oh, I got an achievement.
I'm a douche.
No, you are a douche. Yes, you are. Okay.
I am a douche.
I am a douche.
I'm gonna get a...
Mine. Yes, finally.
Oh, I got
Love.
this.
What is love? Love.
Green is agitating me.
What is
Great.
love? Baby, don't hurt me. How did I? No! What is happening? Zach, remember, I'm getting the box.
What is Greek?
Z, go die!
Oh, you got it.
Oh, yes!
You
I got it! Yay! I got pyramid. No! Okay. Oh my god, I got pyramid. The reason I got it, everyone, is because we all need something in life.
I screw people's lives over.
Like that. He literally just.
Zach, you suck.
Yeah, I do. Yes, I do.
Damn it, I got nothing. Okay, we must try.
Welcome to the show where I win all the time.
You don't win all the mighty jars. A player has voted to kick Zachary Declan Brown.
The only time I've lost is with
I agree. I agree.
Agree.
Pick him.
Oh, goddamn.
What is love? Yay!
I don't know what's love. Oh, goddamn you, Eclipse. Goddamn you.
No. I'm an underdog. Okay.
No,
Oh,
Jared's
begging me to
underdog.
get more points. That's one to get.
No! You stole it from me, Jared.
Okay.
Okay. Place it
You
down.
make a stairway to the big. Okay.
It's not a stairway. It's supposed to be a trap.
How's it a trap though? It's a stairway.
You'll see. You'll see.
How do you do that?
Whee! Whee! I'm winning! I'm winning!
Anyway.
Whee! Dynamite.
Welcome to the show where this is Jared loses all the time.
Yeah.
What is love? Love. I'm gonna get like demonetized.
Me and Dylan, we're in the top grade. I don't know about you, Dylan.
No, I'm in the top grade. You're in the middle class, you know. If you die, I'm gonna laugh.
Wait. Dylan, go to the menu, then go to online option.
No, not yet.
No, just go now. You have time.
No, wait. No! Damn it! Jared's just getting trap points. It's just sad.
No, I'm clever. That means I'm clever. I know how to set up. I'm gonna be the next John Kramer.
The what?
You do not watch Saw. What is wrong with you? Honestly.
I don't watch whatever that was.
Saw is a movie.
Oh, Saw, yeah. Saw's disturbing.
Oh, how did I do that?
Yeah, I'm gonna be the next John Kramer.
Damn it!
I'm gonna be the next John Kramer, I swear. I don't mind trap you, dingus.
It's so sad.
Alright, 2 turns left.
2 turns.
I can't. I just have to take it slow because there's no time limit.
Meh.
There.
Oh my god. Why do I start at the back? It's not very nice. It makes me feel like I just hit! Yay! After you die. That's just no! Yay!
So we'll get a tie if we do this. Alright, last turn. This is the last turn.
Okay, I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna win.
Very violent. I suck at
No! What's annoying on this map?
This helps Dawn, so.
There we go. That's better.
You idiot. You don't know what I just did.
Let me take it slow. No! The door was open!
That's my trap, you idiot. I am the next
Should have
Tom
blown
Cruise.
up the thing. Your next saw, dude.
I'm the next John Kramer, Zach.
Yay! It's a tie between me and Zach.
I'm the next.
We have to keep coming until the tie is gone.
No winners, no points. Oh, sudden
Sudden
death.
death.
First to reach the flag. Go. Bye, Zach.
Guys,
See you
Bye.
in another life. Goodbye. Ah, no!
okay.
Okay. No! Okay.
Cheat. Okay.
Damn it!
Dylan, find options.
Ah!
Go to on.
Ah!
Dylan, go to
Okay.
find options.
Okay, I will. Okay, let's just go rooftops. Rooftops, guys.
Yeah. No, pyramid.
No, rooftops.
Alright,
We've already done pyramids.
Why?
No, old mansion! Old mansions, guys. Let's do old mansion. Old mansion's way better.
Okay, we'll do Old Mansion after this.
Okay, this is gonna be a long video.
Yeah, we'll stop at Old Mansion, okay?
Yep. Old mansion is the last one.
Or as I can say, it's gonna be a long video.
Welcome to Long Video
I put the
Time.
first track down.
Let's just make this.
I don't even know what this is.
This is called a ugly bit. Okay. Okay, I messed up. Now we can't even get past. Oh yeah, we can get past. Doesn't matter.
Okay, hi guys.
No!
I didn't do a solo, but you know, it's fine.
Whee!
Go over it, damn it.
Whee!
I know, you're dumb.
Whee!
Hey guys.
It's gonna be too easy, no points. Yep, see. Damn it. Okay, we must keep going. We
And
have
make this a little bit harder. Get a little arrow. Because then we get points.
guys, I'm getting Assassin's Creed Origins for my birthday.
Amazing. You go through there. I'll go over. Flip it.
Oh, Zach with them skills. And Jared's
Yeah.
just there.
Yeah.
Jared's there.
Rush B, bruh.
Rush. Jared, no!
He's
Swear to
finished.
God.
Longer for you,
He's
so.
finished.
Swear to God, Jared.
Yeah. Now I feel more proud about myself.
It's gonna be too easy.
No, it's not gonna be too easy, dude. What? Why?
We rushed B. We rushed B.
Rush
If
B.
it-
Why am I always last?
Somebody
Okay, I'm
has to die if we want to get points, okay?
Zach, die.
Screw you.
No, Jared, no, don't put it there, for God's sake.
You gotta do it right.
I mean,
Freaking.
right,
try to
thank you, Zach. I told you to
I
die.
tried to rush
You
B.
listened.
I tried to rush B, guys.
You can't rush B without dying. Oh my God! What the hell?
That counts as a point. You
Bombs!
Way to make it too easy now, guys. I guess get rid of it.
okay?
Now it's gonna be way too easy.
Yeah, well, they're gonna.
Now it's actually impossible to get across. You know why?
Because you broke it. You broke it.
What?
Screw you guys.
I don't know how to jump really fast.
I'm always gonna be the underdog. Oh, yeah.
We're gonna kill somebody.
There we go. Guys, I saved all of us. There we go. Damn it, Jared!
That was me.
Damn it, Zach!
There we go. Jared makes us, we're all screwed.
Okay.
If we started dancing, I would have laughed so hard.
Oh, this game's amazing.
Okay.
If you, oh, screw you, mate.
Jared! No! No!
Oh, censor that out. Censor that out.
Oh my god.
You naughty boy!
Oh, should I put it actually here?
No.
What is love, love? How do you sprint?
Shift.
Oh, it is? That's how you jump so high. High as the sky.
How are you supposed to make this?
Jump high. High as the sky.
Alright, I've got an idea. I've got an idea, guys. It's easy. I've got an idea. Oh, I've got an idea. You can't. Oh, it's spazzing out, guys. You're spazzing out. Get something, Jared.
No, Jared!
No, you're just making this video bad. Maybe if you want to.
No, Jared!
What? It didn't. What is wrong?
You're saying.
What? What am I saying?
Damn it!
Super Saiyan. What are you, Super Saiyan?
Jared just wasn't there.
You
Alright.
guys are tired. Yes.
Can't believe I'm tying with Jared.
Is that supposed to offend me?
Yes, it is.
Well, I'm actually quite glad.
Let's just put that there. Good feature. Good.
That's the spot right there.
Ah! Move! You dingus thing. No. What the frick? How?
Oh, if Jared makes us, then Dawn, you'll be.
Really? You're joking.
Oh, Dylan! Oh no!
I'm joking.
No!
I'm the what is that? Nom. Guess what? You're the underdog.
Me.
No, yeah, me. I'm the underdog. So if I win, you're screwed, boy.
Oh.
I got a little trick up my sleeve.
What is love, love? Baby, don't hurt me.
Let me
Don't
do it.
hurt me. No more.
What the frick? If Jared makes us, he wins. No! I've never had a game with Jared winning.
Yes.
Oh,
No, I have. I've run against one guy online.
yeah. He must have been a noob.
No, it's not a noob.
Alright, 3
Three
turns left,
turns,
Jared.
damn it.
If we don't get this, Jared's gonna win.
I'm gonna blow this one up.
I'm sorry to do
And then I'm
this.
gonna put this.
No!
No, Zach! You're making it worse. It's supposed
Now it's
Yeah,
impossible
yeah.
to get.
Why are you complaining, Jared? You're just gonna win.
You're saying, oh, I want it to be hard. Hypocrite.
See, this is impossible.
Yeah, just destroy some stuff, I guess.
Yeah,
No.
it's
Jared's just
impossible.
gonna win. Jared's gonna win.
I'm gonna lose.
No, you'll win it. Win it.
I always lose, okay?
Yeah.
So
Eh,
we're
I got
gonna
a
blow
perfect
some
idea.
stuff up. Blow some stuff up.
I have an
Specifically these
idea.
ones.
Dylan has idea, and I know what it is. Good boy, Zach.
Good boy.
You
Yeah.
very good boy. Dylan has idea. Boing! Damn it!
Oh! Yes!
Yes, but
What?
supposed to.
What?
Okay.
Don't write on the wall.
Yeah.
I call
Andy,
hacks.
don't write on this, huh? No.
Holy Savannah.
Hallelujah, holy Savannah.
Only Savannah.
God
Holy
damn.
s-
Okay.
No!
Lost.
Jared won.
Good job, Jared.
Damn it.
Screw you.
Well, hey guys, that's going to end the video here. I'll see you next time for another video. Bye.